Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson we're drawing Birdo from Super Mario. So we'll start with the beak first. So we're starting in the center of the page with a point. Now let's curve the top of the beak. We bend this across and then up. Let's round out the top. Come around the outside. Come in towards the bottom and just pull that in towards the face. Now over on the left side we're going to draw that opening. So we're going to start from the very top. Let's add a fold. Coming in and then back out. From the top, let's step in to create a fold. Draw the left side, going around, and then in. I'm going to switch to my thick black marker. We're going to fill that inside area in black. Let's go back to the right side. We're going to draw the top of the right eye. We're going to go up, round out the eye, and then bend that down towards the side. Let's go back to the left, curve the eye coming down and then across. Go up and then pull that down towards the left. Let's add some lashes over on the right. Start right here, then it's across and then up. Step down, draw a shorter curve. I'll add one short one across the bottom. Now I have the character looking over towards the right. So we start up here, we're going to draw an oval. Going up, down, and then up. Let's tuck the left eye in behind. So we step over, going up, and just pulling that down on top of the beak. Let's draw the top of the eyelid. We go up and then down. And you also want to draw that same oval for the iris and pupil. Let's add some lashes along the outside. So we're going to add 3, add the first one, add a shorter second, and then the third. Now along the top of each iris, draw a small circle for highlight. And then we want to trace the iris underneath the highlight for the pupil, coming in, and we'll fill the center of the pupil in black. Let's do the same thing on the right. Just going to trace the inside of that oval, and then fill the center in black. Now we're going to draw on the cheek. From the bottom of the eye, we're going to step up, curve the cheek, going out, all the way around, and then just tuck that up underneath the beak. Let's add a couple spots along the side. We draw an oval, step up, and draw a smaller one. Now in behind the head, we're going to draw that large bow. So let's start on top of the right eye, then it's up and then out, round out the bow, come down and then bend that in, step back, curve the bottom of the bow, coming down, round this out and then pull that in. Let's draw the center of that knot with a half circle, and then we'll draw the left side of the bow, starting from the top, then it's up and then out. Round out the tip of the bow and just pull that in towards the top of the left eye. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on that front arm. Just underneath the head in the center, curve the arm coming down and across towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, then close off the end with a bracket. Now on the left side of the thumb, we're going to tuck the first finger, going all the way around the bracket and then in. Underneath that finger, we draw a large circle for the ring. And we'll trace that circle along the inside. Let's tuck the center finger in behind the ring. Step down, draw the bottom finger going all the way around. And I'm going to taper the arm going all the way up and then in underneath the head. Now just underneath the arm, we're going to draw that front leg. So we're going to start out here, bend the knee, going out, around the bottom, and then out. Step up, draw the back of the heel, coming across and then down, and it'll draw the bottom of the foot. Round this out, coming across towards the first claw. Let's close off that claw, going up and then bend that down. Let's layer 2 more claws in behind. So from this point, step up, curve the first one, go up towards the top, and then tuck that in. Let's do that one more time. And then from the top of that last claw, curve the foot going up underneath the leg. Now I'm going to go back to the outside of the arm. I'm going to curve the body, coming down, round up the tail, and then go up. Then it's down, and then in behind the leg. Let's add 3 spikes across the back. Start from the top, adding 1 point, leave a gap, add another one, and then 1 more pointing up. Now we're going to go back up underneath the head, draw the outside of the body. We're going to curve the belly, going out, around the arm, and then bend that in towards the knee. Let's add that patch, starting from the left side. We're going to go up, and then down in behind the arm. Now we want to tuck the left arm in behind the body. So we're going to start up here, bend it out towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's curl the thumb. Going to go up, and then down, round up the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's add a curve for the palm. And then on the tip of the thumb, let's add a V for the claw. We're going to wrap 3 fingers along the outside. So let's start from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in, step down, curve the second finger going up, and the third going all the way around. Now underneath that bottom finger, curve the palm, coming up and then in, step down, and then bend the arm towards the body. Now I'm going to finish off by extending that back leg. So let's start from that center claw, curve the bottom of the foot, coming down and then out. Now just like we did on the right, we're going to separate that claw towards the bottom. Let's layer 2 more claws in behind. Again, we're just stepping up from the tip. Let's go up underneath the body. We're going to curve the leg, coming down and then in. And then close off the top of the foot. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Birdo from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.